All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today there wasn't too much to do at work. We had to mount some strut underneath of some equipment or walkways. So there wasn't really much work for two people. So my coworker said that he would crawl under there, and he just told me to go cut and hand him everything that he needed. So he basically was working, and I was running and doing errands like cutting rod and handing him tools and parts and stuff like that. So it was a really easy day. And then the electricians at this company temporarily got this set up for us. This is one of the junction boxes that we will be going into. And as you can see, our strut is back here for one of them. We didn't mount the second set, but this is going to be for the set of pipe going to the second box. This is the first box. I don't think I got a picture of the second box. But anyways, here is, we're going to have 4 pipes coming out from the bottom of the junction box that we've been working on. As you can see it here in the corner. So it'll go from 4 pipes down to 2. It'll split off 2 into the first junction box and 2 into the second junction box. So that's what we're working with. All right, guys, so like I said, it was a short day, 5 hours. We just mounted those struts and then ran out of parts and stuff to do. So we went home early. But yeah, it was a super nice day. I really didn't want to get out of bed this morning. I think I woke up with a really bad headache and my neck's been hurting. So anyways, glad I went to work. It was super easy. And then I came home and took a 2-hour nap, and now I'm making the video. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. Lastly, check the description for anything else like social medias or video playlist, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe to Arctic Vet. He's almost at 500 subscribers, working really hard. So anyways, that'll do it, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. One more thing I did forget to say, the factory that I've been working in is super noisy, so I've usually just been wearing headphones just to quiet the noise down, and then if I'm walking places, I'll play music and stuff like that. But anyways, I use the earplugs today, the little squishy ones. You squish them down and then stuff them in your ear, and then they expand, the foam ones. So that was really nice, and it really helped out, kind of took away my headache, so I was really happy about that. I had a headache for a little bit while I was working from the morning when I woke up, so that really helped out and fixed my headache, so I was really happy about that. So it made a big difference. So don't forget to use hearing protection. Even if you think that you're going to be okay, just do it because it's good for you. All right, guys, bye.